people have lost hope. Like
Mm.
literally, like people do not even believe that they can land a job, right? People don't believe that they can get everything that they want anymore.
Yeah.
And if you would have asked me like a year ago, like whether I believe that, like I probably would have said no, like everything is possible all the time. But
Yeah.
now that I've had this experience, I realize like, oh, like, there's a certain segment of my client base that's not motivated. And I used to not understand why people like would like always be like, oh yeah, I know I'm supposed to do this, but I just like couldn't get to it,
Yeah.
or people would have this sort of like victim like sense. And now I understand, it's like literally you do not believe that like whatever you want is possible for you anymore.
Hmm.
And like so you just kind of like curl into a ball and just say like, why even try?
So what do you do with
It's
that, Joyce?
that. Okay, I know exactly what to do.
Oh, good.
So
Let's have it.
yeah, you ask people more about their beliefs, and you just say like, like what's your goal, what do you believe is possible for you, and what's getting in the way, what are all the reasons that it's not possible, what are all the reasons that it's not going to work. Like let's actually unpack that.
It's a lot of unpacking.
Yeah. And I think it's subtle. Like most people are not asked that question, right?
Yeah.
Like, why do you believe it's not going to work? And when you dig into that, then you get the answers, right? Either people have like lack of belief in a system, or it's the lack of belief in themselves.